Blizzards swish snow through the air quickly. Blizzards can bring up to 10 inches of snow. If you're out in a blizzard and you're not wearing the right clothes, you can get frostbite. A blizzard is a winter storm with strong winds. Blizzards form when fast wind meets warm air. As this storm brings snow and ice, blowing wind makes it hard to see. Blizzards happen in the coldest places, for example, the North Pole or North America, Rocky Mountains, Russia, Siberia, and Alaska. Blizzards can damage telephone lines, and then people sometimes don't have power for weeks. The damage to people is you can get frostbite. After the blizzard's hard to drive and even to walk because there's so much snow. Wow, did you know that people still talk about the blizzard of '88 even though it took place about 100 years ago? Isn't it weird that a long time ago in Europe, people rang church bells thinking it would chase away bad storms? One more thing. Outside, when winds are blowing at 35 miles per hour, it feels like 4 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, the blizzard stopped. It's been going on for hours. I'm so glad it stopped.